Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how you can make any text have a golden background just like this. And I'm going to update my website banner background with a different font. Okay, so for step one, we're going to create a new design and choose any color as the background. So I just chose this light purple color, and I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to add my text in here that just says my brand name. And I'm going to change the font to Italiano. Make it bigger so we can read it. And I'm going to center this just like that. Now we can make this bolder if we want to, and if you have a text that's not bold, like this one can't be bolded, you can go to Effects and choose Outline, pick your color, and then choose the thickness to bold it. And that looks good, but I'm just going to do none because it's fine. It's fine the way it is. Okay, so I want to do this step 2 here and add white text. So I need to change my text to white. And now for step 3, I'm going to add white blocks around the text. So I'm just going to go and grab a rectangular shape out of the elements and drag it over and around until it completely surrounds my text. So I'm just going to duplicate this and drag it down until everything is covered. I'm just going to make this part smaller. Okay, and now for number 4, we're going to download this page. So this page and this page only, PNG, page 7 only, download. Now we're going to add our download to a new page. So I'm just going to add a page. I'm going to go to Uploads, upload my, and boom. And I'm going to, for step number 7, I'm going to square up the image. So what I mean by that is just sort of dragging these bars on the side to get rid of that white space. And then I want to remove the background. So now I want to make this a little bit bigger and make my background still purple because the white is gone, but the purple is there. So, and that's what I wanted. You want the white gone, but the purple there. And then we're going to go to Elements and search for gold. And I'm just going to pull up this gold foil piece right here, and I'm going to go to Position and send it to the back. Now I can make this any direction or angle I want my gold to look in the background, but I'm just going to leave it as this because this is pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to actually go ahead and add some blocks back in here. So I want to come back and grab some of these blocks. I'm going to make them purple again so it matches the background, and bring it right to my text like it was before. Okay, now that we have our text surrounded by these blocks of purple, we're going to go into Effects and add shadows. So edit photo, shadows, drop shadow. Then we're going to turn down the blur and the angle and the distance. We're just going to play with this until it feels good. So let's maybe bring the angle back up and the intensity. Let's play with the angle a little bit more. Okay, I like that. Okay, now we're going to download again. So just up here in share, download. I'm going to turn this up. Only this page, current page only. Done, download. Now I'm going to add another page and bring in my upload. And there it is. I'm going to make my background white so you guys can see it easier. And then I'm going to remove this background and square up my text and make it bigger. And look at that. There it is. Now you can make any background color you want and any design you want in the background. Add whatever flair that your heart desires. And this is totally free, using whichever font you want instead of the only ones that are available to you through Canva. So play around, have fun. Thanks, bye.